Good morning, everybody. We're looking at the shipping desk upstairs in the office, and we are going to lean this out a little bit, save everybody some seconds, probably more than 2. We'll check back in. All right, so here is what we did. Took all the tools, tape gun and pens and box cutter, put them into Kaizen foam. So now they have a home. It's nothing more irritating than going and looking for a tape gun when you need one. Cleaned off the work surface, put in a shelf up here. Eric's idea. He'd put that in. And we labeled all this stuff. So we got carton tape in here, clear tape here, there's bubble bags down here, and there's room for more materials down here. Eric had us put this up on 2x4s so it's easier to get into these bottom drawers. And then Michael and Hib built this rack for all the different box types, so everything is cool and sorted. You don't have to go searching around for stuff, and hopefully this will save some time back here boxing stuff up.